My name is Kara Messick. I'm a branch assistant for the Wicomico Public Libraries at the Center Branch, and today we're going to be making snow bunnies as part of our cozy crafting program. So Take and Make kits will be available at your Center Branch location for this activity. If you don't have a Take and Make with you, you can find everything at your local Walmart. So for this activity, we'll need some glue dots, a thin ribbon, but you can use any color that you'd like. You'll need some sewing pins, scissors, 2 pom-poms, and a white washcloth. So let's get started. So we're starting by putting our washcloth in a diagonal section, and we're going to roll this up. Now you're going to take your first glue dot and put it on the end of the washcloth here. So you're going to set this aside for just a moment. So I'm going to cut the ribbon. I'm going to make sure I have plenty of length to work with myself here. Alright, so to tie this properly, you're going to start with a triangle loop. Now I'm going to grab the extra string and pull it through. Let's try that again. A triangle loop, pull the extra string through, and then re-grab your loop. So I'm keeping this locked in my hand. I folded this in half. Now you're going to take the 2 ends and bend it back. So you see where you have the 2 folds here. I'm going to tie my loop around. The extra string is underneath and you just pull it tight. And we'll give our bunny a nice little bow here. Our bunny shape is done. We're going to use our second glue dot. Attach it somewhere on the back of our bunny. Add our pom-pom. Now I'm getting my pins ready. So we're going to use 3 pins. We're going to have 2 up for the eyes, of course. Add our nose. And here is your snow bunny. Thank you so much for joining us for Wicomico Public Libraries at the Center Branch for Cozy Crafts. We will see you next time.